Alright, so what's up? Thank you for joining. Thanks for watching. This is going to be just a quick little look at the MistVape Beast. This is an alpha model, so it's a little bit taller than the production models, but overall the way that it works is pretty much the same. I'm at 40 watts. It's a setting that I call high. I will have my settings for Arctic Fox in the description if you do end up getting a beast. I will first start with just heating it up. That way you guys can see what happens when it glows and when it heats and just how it goes. So it's 40 watts on cruise for about 25 seconds. And in there you can see there is a little bit of ceramic pad. There's the Canthaw coils, which just pretty much wrap around the cap when it sits in there. There is also stainless steel shielding to protect the wood. So that's what it's like when it just goes through. It's probably going to be a little bit quicker than normal for click since I'm just starting it again after an initial heat up. Normally I would never do that. I would just start cold. I think around 40 watts I see about 18 seconds for the first initial heat up, and then after that it can be around 13 seconds or so. I'm just going to double click, let auto fire run, and we will listen for click. So that was about, where is this at? 19.3 seconds. So I think around 17, 18 is when I got the click. But we'll go again. That was around 10 seconds. Really off focus for where I'm vaping or exhaling into. But hopefully you guys can see that vapor well enough. And I think it might be a little bit too dark to actually show the ABV up close. Unfortunate. But I'll take a picture of all this ABV. Let's do another bowl. And I'm going to change to a setting I call very low. Now it's already pretty well heated, but very low is just pretty basic. It's a very low setting. This way I can inhale from the vap cap while having it heat. Should be pretty easy and safe, like safe from combustion. So it starts off around 30 watts for a few seconds and then quickly tapers down. So in this one I did not get a click. I'm gonna start it again. And let's see where the ABV's at. Pretty brown, greenish. Could be worse. So for my very low setting, if you do it immediately after, like heat it up, let it go through the full cycle instead of starting it back at 12. You're gonna get click. It's always gonna should always re-click or click after the second cycle. You shouldn't get click on your first cycle or first heat up. Let's see. All right. We'll do one more. And this one is on a setting called fast low. So this setting is intended to heat it up pretty quickly and then just cool itself. All right, so fast low is gonna start around 60. It should be 30 by default. If you move it to 35, I would recommend that on a dual. Otherwise, on this one, you're definitely gonna see weak battery. But